Hi guys, Colin here at Auto Clarity in Southport. Got a Seat Leon FR coming, 1.4 TSI, 41,000 miles, full service history. Well, near enough full service history. I think it missed one. But 2 keys. It's got a Maxton kit on it and 19-inch alloys. It's been lowered as well, so it's sat really well. There's your front end of the car. No real damage at all to report. A little scuff marks on the edge of the wheels, but nothing dramatic at all. Down the sides, again, there's no dinks, dents, scratches or anything like that. There's your rear alloy. So just inside the car, it's nice and clean. No strange smells, doesn't been a smoker's car or anything like that. In the back, got a nice limo tint on the back of it. Been de-wipered as well. But a really good looking car this actually. Nice and clean in the boot. Great size boot on these, by the way. There's your rear alloy. And on the side of the car there. So, let's go inside the car again. Like I say, really nice and clean. There's your mileage, 41,279. Just started up for you. So there's no warning lights or anything like that. 54.9 to the gallon. That's not too bad, is it? So everything is working fine. Your sat nav works fine. You do have DAB radio, which is all working fine. And obviously you've got the full link as well, so you've got the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay or Mirror Link. Great little feature. Obviously dual level climate there, electric handbrake, so you've got cruise control on your stalk there, all your radio controls and everything on there. But yeah, really nice car. And like I say, looks the part. So guys, if you're interested in this lovely Leon, which looks like a Cupra, give us a call here at Auto Clarity. Always willing to help. And finance is available, extended warranties, and we love a part exchange. So hope to hear from you soon. Cheers guys.